Hey Lodies! Welcome back to my channel. Ngayon, meron akong i-review and i-recommend na wireless earphones or TWS na perfect pang daily all-around companion, a certified AirPods alternative, the SOUNDPEATS AIR 3. FYI lang ng konti, ang SOUNDPEATS are very well-known brand worldwide, started noong 2010. Isa sila sa mga naunang naglabas ng wireless audio using Bluetooth technology. If ngayon mo palang narinig or naririnig ang brand na ito, SOUNDPEATS is a 100% legit brand when it comes to wireless earphones. So itong Air 3 is widely available online and sa mga local retail shop. You can pick it up for around 1,800 pesos to 2,300 pesos. Depende sa presyo ng retailer or seller. At may black and white color options to choose from. Contents includes charging case, earphones, short Type-C cable, and a manual. So ano ang maganda dito sa earphone na to? Una, it's a very lightweight, only 4 grams each, kaya tinawag na Air. Napakagaan and charging case is also smaller than usual, around 33 grams lang ang weight niya. It is the successor of the True Air 2 if you are familiar with that. 4.2mm ang dynamic driver, so I already expected na maganda ang sound nito even before using it. Bluetooth 5.2 with aptX for more stable and stronger low latency connection. And it's an IPX5 rating, water resistant and sweat proof. Goods na goods for outdoors. So let's move on to the sound quality. Isa sa pinaka nagustuhan ko dito is the tuning or tono ng earphones na to. Sobrang balance, hindi parang kulong or matinis na masakit sa tenga. Ma-enjoy mo talaga lahat ng klase ng genre, mapa-basic kind of music man yan, rock and roll or acoustic, walang problema. Soundstage is wide enough to hear good amount of details. Mic quality is alright, it has 4 mics in total, dalawa sa left, dalawa sa right. Wala lang itong noise cancelling feature, but clarity-wise, pasado pa rin siya for me. Just be mindful lang pag medyo nasa noisy environment ka, gaya ng pag nasa labas ka, maririnig ang buong surroundings while talking to someone or when you are recording. Here's a quick sample. Okay, right now I'm using the Bluetooth audio. I am using the AirPeats, SOUNDPEATS Air 3 microphone. Let's check how's the quality. Comfort or ear fittings is very subjective sa mga ganitong klaseng design na wireless earphones. Some will find it good and some may not like it at all. It really depends sa tenga mo. For me, I find the left ear na medyo loose at siguro medyo hindi lang ako sanay sa ganitong design compared sa mga usual IEMs na gamit ko right now. But if you find it a little loose or slippery, you can just get a silicone grips like these ones and it will solve the problem. When choosing a wireless earphones, isa sa pinakauna natin tinitignan is the battery performance, and the Air 3 did not disappoint. This will last up to 5 hours on a single charge while listening to music or watching videos. Plus, you can charge it 3 more times sa charging case niya, so around 17 hours in total. Charging time is around 1.5 hours or 90 minutes. You can check the battery status of the case by just pressing this button. Gaming with this is very good because it has an aptX adaptive technology, meaning mababa siya ng 60 milliseconds ang latency niya, sobrang accurate ng sound at nasa timing. If you are playing with your mobile phone or PC or console like PS5, Xbox, just tap the left side ng 3 times and it will activate the game mode before playing. Gaming sound experience is very nice. Para ka talagang nasa laro due to dynamic 3D surround-like effects. When using it on a PC or consoles, make sure na meron kang at least Bluetooth 5.0 dongle or receiver na parang ganito para mas stable ang connection and less interference. Touch controls are very easy to remember. You can refer to the manual. Also, the software can be installed to your mobile devices so that you can update and adjust or tweak your earphones features like the touch sensitivity and equalizer. These earphones also have an ear detection, meaning pag tinanggal mo yung isang earphone, automatic na magpo-pause yung pinapakinggan mo. Galing, di ba? You can also play it with one side if you want that. So bukod sa mga gandang features na nabanggit ko, there are some features din na wala dito. Una, wala siyang ANC or active noise cancelling. which is not a deal breaker because the Air 3 Pro has the ANC feature and you can always use that if you need it, but the price is much higher. Hindi din siya high-res, meaning this is just a standard quality when it comes to music, but I don't think na kailangan pa yun dito dahil para sa akin maganda na yung tuning niya. But if you want that feature, piliin mo yung Air 3 Deluxe. So overall, masasabi kong pwedeng-pwede itong pang-alternative sa AirPods without burning your wallet. For the price kasi, talagang worth it ang overall quality ng SOUNDPEATS AIR 3. If you have a bigger budget, may dalawa pang versions ng Air 3 to choose from, the Air 3 Pro and the newly released Air 3 Deluxe. You can check the specs and features here if you are interested. Alright, if ikaw yung tipong gustong magkaroon ng TWS or wireless earphones na hindi mo mawawaldas ang buong budget mo, just go ahead and try this one. I think hindi ka magsisisi dito and you're welcome in advance. Salamat sa oras. This is Jaser of JTECH Mods. See you on the next one. Stay safe and keep it clean.